see before is beautiful Gold Coast view. Oh my god, I live in the Gold Coast for 6 months, almost 7 months now. I love Australia, I love Gold Coast, but I need to move to Toowoomba now because of my visa situation. I'm here in Australia. I'm holding work and holiday visa. This visa is for working and traveling. This is really suitable for me because before I applied it is because I need money to apply for my master degree. I'm still on this process receiving money. In your first year of work and holiday visa, you need to do 3 months of farm work to apply for second year. In your second year, you need to do 6 months of farm work to apply for third year visa. Now I'm in my second year. I'm ready to do 6 months farm work long battle to apply for my third year visa. Okay, because I mentioned I'm gonna do farm work very soon, like in 3 or 2 days. I bought some equipment, special equipment to have a long fight. I'm gonna show you what I bought. I'm really apologize for the past that I didn't give any message or even pictures, and some pictures to show what I'm doing in here. I'm just so quiet and busy hanging around. And also I feel so I regret that I didn't add any video, post any video, make any video, because I already can make videos. Why I didn't record all my past life? I'm so regret for this. But now I'm really gonna start to do lots of videos to post it and to record my life. Just record for fun is very good for me too. Not for fun, just to make me happy. It's time to time maybe say Mongolian or maybe Chinese, because Mongolian is my first language, Chinese is my second language. Because some of the vocabulary problem, I cannot say English well. So if you're interested in Mongolian, which is my mother language, I will be very happy. If you want to learn Chinese, I can teach a bit, but I found that my Chinese not very fluent enough, but I can still help you. So see you in the next video. See you. My little green car. I'm gonna start my show. Farm equipment show. Guys, it's very important that you always don't forget your key to turn on your car. Then safety second. No, I'm kidding. Safety first, of course. Okay, I'm gonna do some very funny thing. Okay, nice and slowly. No rush. Whoa, what the hell? Start some show. I have no idea. Maybe it's fine. Okay, let's do it. Энд чи үнэтэй дөө хадуна. Өсөдөр би тусгай очиад транзит хийх хэрэгтэй байна явж байгаа. Энд дээр юм унтдаг. Амсгаар. Oh, summer. Suddenly summer is coming. Хэвээ даймонд дэвчээ. Хамгийн сайхан энэ дээр дүүртэй. Энийг дэдүү тааж. The time is up. Thanks for all of you to watch my video. Та бүхэн миний видеог үзсэнд баярлж байна. 谢谢大家看我的视频，爱心爱心。Thanks all. Lots of love.